Dear friends, welcome to my channel 1 to 10 Education. Today's topic is Speech on Labor Day. Number 1 line. Good morning, everyone. Number 2. Today is Labor Day. Number 3. We thank all workers for their hard work. Number 4. They help make our lives better. Number 5. Happy Labor Day. Thank you, dear friends. If you like this video, so please like, share and subscribe for more videos.